Are you thinking about signing up for the Nanan STEM Academy's Introduction to Robotics course, but you're not quite sure? Well, here are some reasons to convince you. Did you ever want a pet animal, but your parents said no? We have a solution for you.
A good dog you are. Come here. Good dog.
Did you ever want to have a dance party, but no one wanted to join in? We have a solution for you. Did you ever want someone to sing to you on your birthday? We have a solution for you. Are you thinking that coding with the Edison robot sounds fun? But maybe your parents or guardians are unsure. Well, you can tell them that in the Nanan STEM Academy's Introduction to Robotics course, you'll be learning about things like computational thinking, conditionals, input parameters, and variables. Now, they may not know what those things are, but you will sound very sophisticated. Our courses are designed to empower future creators of technology. We hope to see you there.